Hey everybody, Chef Lorious here, and I am so excited to share with you some of my favorite and go-to pairings with Jam Vino. So I've got a bunch of cheeses out here I want to show you, and I've got the Jam Vinos. I'm just going to tell you some of my input on them, but I want you to try other things because there's no way I can get every wonderful pairing. Okay, first off, we've got Brie. Brie is a classic, right? Brie is like your favorite first cousin. It's always there and it works with everything. The Brie does work with every flavor, but can I give you a hint? Honestly, I like the Brie best with the blackberry merlot or with the strawberry blanc because those are very rich jams, and the Brie is smooth and creamy. I think those go well together. Here, next to it, I have a Stilton white cheese. This is a European cheese, kind of like feta, and this is one with blueberries in it. You can get it with anything in it, but I like the ones with the flavors. So obviously, you can pair this with the strawberry because it has blueberries, but I would actually pair this with the raspberry moscato because then you get the raspberries and the blueberries together, and that's a really nice taste. The feta-like cheese, a little bit softer though than feta, but a European white cheese nonetheless. All right, next up is Havarti. Now, Havarti is one of my personal favorite cheeses, and I can eat it with anything, but for the purposes of what I'm sharing with you all, family, I love Havarti with blackberry merlot or with the raspberry moscato. Again, delicious cheese. Havarti melts beautifully, and just when you get that raspberry in there, it just has like this it's almost magical to me. It's like a little flavor explosion in your mouth with the Havarti, the nuttiness of the Havarti and the smooth texture of it. It's beautiful with the raspberry. Okay, now, this is goat cheese here. Now, goat cheese, some people say, I don't think so. Trust me. Goat cheese is a little tangy, right? So when you're eating goat cheese, it's not going to have that smooth flavor. It's going to have a little tang to it. The tang is lovely with the raspberry moscato because the moscato is a sparkling wine. Now, you're not going to taste sparkling wine per se, but those flavor notes from the sparkling wine are going to blend beautifully with the tanginess that you find in the goat cheese, okay? Amazing. Now we're going to get into some fun stuff. Okay, I did the basics. This is smoked Gouda peppercorn. Yeah, peppercorn cheese. This one is smoked Gouda peppercorn, and this one is chili cheddar cheese. Okay, so these two are hot cheeses. Now these two hot cheeses I actually like with strawberry blanc because strawberry blanc is the sweetest of the jams. So if you take sweet and heat and mix it together and put that on a water cracker, are you feeling me? Okay, that is good. So the hot ones, that's why I put them together. This one is a Gouda, this one is a cheddar. Both a little spicy, strawberry. And finally, I have smoked Gouda with bacon. And let me tell you the truth, anything with bacon is good, okay? But then you add, I love Gouda. This is everything it should be. So smoked Gouda bacon, I would pair that with any one of these. This can go with all three perfectly. If you do the blackberry merlot, the richness will match very well with the Gouda. If you use the raspberry, you'd get the lightness that'll really help the bacon come out. And if you do the strawberry, you just got that good old sweet jam and some good old cheese, okay? So these are my favorite pairings. Again, try as many as you want because you can't go wrong. But I just wanted to tell you, give you some ideas of somewhere to start because how will you jam vino? I learned how to jam vino by practicing, you know what I'm saying? All right, thank you for joining me. Let me know your favorite pairings, what you discover, what you like. Let me know so we can tell the people. Everybody needs to know. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.